In this video, let's learn how to remove all settings on your A06 mobile. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to accounts and backup option. In here, click on reset option. After you can click on this reset all settings option. If you reset all settings on your mobile, these settings are going to reset. Security setting, language setting, accounts, personal data, and settings or downloaded apps. Now I click on reset settings button and again click on reset button. You can see restarting device to reset settings. Please wait. Mobile is restarting now. In this method, you can reset your mobile all settings.